In ancient times, there were people who believed that the outside features of a body defined future generations. That belief was inaccurate because later on, scientists discovered that offsprings carry on traits or features that are carried and passed on to them from their parents. An influential scientist who goes by the name of Gregor Mendel discovered some of the basic laws of genetics. People like Mendel and Charles Darwin allowed us to discover deeper understandings of what they've started. Genetics also let people such as biologists and other scientists notice how things change. We call that evolution. There are ways to learn a couple's baby's genes and who they must have gotten a specific trait from. To predict the future of what genes or any disease or disabilities a child will have, doctors use a Punnett square. From a Punnett square, parents are given possibilities or a ratio where they can learn the outcomes of crossing their genotypes. Passing on characteristics to future generations was such a confusing theory. Physicians and others all had their own ideas to how a parent's genes are passed to their children. People then found out that the cells were the ones carrying characteristics that one will have. Experimenting on plants helped biologists receive better understanding to how inheritance worked. Back in the 1980s, genetic machinery made a breakthrough. Genetic engineering allows people to explore controversial subjects that affect our lives today. A set of technologies used to change the genetic makeup of cells is genetic engineering. In 1919, a Hungarian engineer came up with the term biotechnology, where raw materials are used to produce and develop microorganisms, which was discovered back in the ancient times during civilization. As long as there are living things on Earth, our generations will continue to slowly develop. Even though we have all this information on genetics, we still have so much to discover and understand.